Hello everybody, this video will deal with when you add a second monitor or second display and it's squished, and that second monitor or second display is squished and stretched. The first thing to do is to go find your display settings. For me, I've got Windows here, so I open up Cortana and I type in display and I get my display settings up here. Okay, now we want to go ahead and expand that window because we want to see what displays it's currently showing. If you've added a second monitor and it's not showing that, go ahead and click the detect button. Make sure all your cords and things are plugged in. If it's not showing up, watch another YouTube video that talks about how to troubleshoot getting a second monitor added. But if it does show up, then your first one is going to be your laptop or your desktop computer, your primary, and your number two is going to be your second display that you've added. Once you've got your two displays set up here, you can scroll down and see what resolution was chosen. Windows has a recommended setting for your monitors, so you can see my laptop is coming up as a 1366 by 7068 resolution. So if the squished and stretched monitor, it's not tied to this setting, so you have to choose this second monitor, and this is where I was getting tripped up because I was trying to make the changes and the first display was the one that was chosen. So you choose the second display, and then here you can adjust. You can see this resolution is not recommended, so you can go in here and find the one that's recommended, click that, see if it works for you. If not, you can play around and click on some of these other resolutions to check the text integrity and make sure things aren't being stretched on the different screens you're using. Once you click on this, it'll ask you if you want to keep your changes or revert back to the other display. Just go ahead and click keep changes if you like what you see, and then you should be good to go. So thanks for watching my video, and hope you have a great day.